Okay, so hi, it's been a while. I know it has been a very long while, but it is summer right now. Meaning that amazing guy over there and we're in Hachioji heading to Yamanashi, so join us for this afternoon, evening, night trip because Japan is burning up. It is hot. This is it. Like we just drop on the seat. Is rather hot. Yeah. This ride was comfortable. Alright, now we're going to transfer. Please touch the photo that. Let's try this one. Alright, let's close. I need to get on the train.
Going to Osaka?
No, not going to Osaka. We changed our mind. We were planning on going to Osaka next week, but nope, not in this heat. It's not gonna happen. Yeah, we are drenched just by standing here in one place, fully drenched.
For a few minutes.
Yeah, just a few minutes. This is what we're waiting on to board. This is Fujisan View Express, Fuji Railway. This is actually different from the last time. This isn't what we took. This isn't what we took the last time. This is different. Yes, so we're heading to Kawaguchiko.
Express ticket. Express ticket.
Not express?
Yes, express ticket 400 and more.
Oh,
by machine.
By machine?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
Express ticket. So 400 more.
Yeah, $2.
Okay, nice. No, here so. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Yes, no reserve.
No reserve, so here?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Where you want to go? Here? Let's go down first. You want to sit down yourself?
Yeah, okay.
And the final stop, car number 1 and 2 are reserved cars. And car number 3 is not reserved.
minutes. If we take our bus, the walk is going to be 30 minutes from us.
Oh. So. Yeah. We are in Kawaguchiko. So we've decided to just follow the crowd. But listen, the temperature difference between here and, ooh, this looks good. This looks yummy. Yeah, the temperature difference between here and Tokyo, so wide. Wow. Wow. All we have to do is follow the crowd and the security. We can't get lost. I'm so happy we decided to walk. Have those who don't care. Wow. We're here. This is the biggest festival you've been to, right? This is the biggest one. True. But I went to one in Ibaraki. That was huge. Huh? Ooh, nice. Hello. You can get toys. Wow. Of course, kakigori, choco banana.
Food lines are ridiculous.
Yeah. What's going on over here? Let's get food. Let's get food. Frozen strawberry. Okay.
Short ribs.
Okay, this one.
Two.
Pepe. Okay.
1600円になります。
You can give the first taste test. Really hot, hot. You just bite into it like that? Isn't it like super hot? No? It's good? Oh, that's hot.
Not bad, not bad.
You know who that enjoy that?
Yep. In the front line.
I'm calling fried potato. Turning a spiral. Oh, angels. Oh my god, there's long potato, long fries. Guys, I literally just choked. I choked on beef. Like, it was so scary. But I'm fine. Nice takoyaki. Long line. You can get frozen strawberry. Churros 一つ
Flavor?
cinnamon
Cinnamon.
はい
600.
OK Thank you.
シナモンです。
はい、ありがとうございます。
はい、Thank you. ありがとうございます。どうぞ。
Yay, and long fries. Taste.
取ってきたんで600円です。
Let's go. We have Hold him. Thank you. Can I put this back in the
Never seen fries as long.
Never. And they're delicious. Sure, it's nice, right? Wow. Oh, nice tacos. Wow. We should try.
Okay.
Yeah. You want to? We came to eat.
One, two.
Mexican tacos. Like, this is the best thing about summer. You go to Jamaica, really?
Honeymoon?
Honeymoon. Woo!
Best, the best.
The best, it is.
This area, ¿cómo se llamaba? Siete Ríos, Ocho Ríos, Siete Ríos.
Ocho Rios, Ocho Rios. Yes, yes, yes. Ocho Rios. Yes. Yeah.
Beautiful.
It's so beautiful, yeah. The beach. Yeah. Yeah.
A lot of talent.
That's so true. Jamaica,
Thanks for the
Jamaica.
memory.
Yeah, I'm happy. Wow. How long have you been in Japan?
5 years.
5 years.
We have 2 kids.
2 kids. Oh, that's nice.
Okay, guys, this is the setting for you.
Beautiful. Thank you
This
so
is the
much.
salsa.
Oh, the
Guacamole
salsa.
is not spicy, and another 2.
Okay.
It's really hot. De los chicos que yo aquí. Para los chicos.
So which one? Which is very hot? It's very hot. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit.
My
Okay.
flavor is good. No?
And the salsa.
Good. Nice place.
Ooh, very nice. Okay. This is guacamole. Okay. Thank you so much. It was nice meeting you. I don't know if I caught the singing, him singing Jamaica, Jamaica. I don't know if I caught it. I don't think I caught it. Here. I'm worried about getting home. I'm worried about getting home. We're probably gonna have to leave early. Because it's like over 2 hours. People get their seat already, see? Yes, yes, yes. Tell me the taste. It's good?
It's good.
So good? Okay. Let me try. Oh shit. I caught it. Oh yeah. So we're just sitting here literally on the ground. The bugs are coming. Alright, let's go.
前が見えるね。
Big boys, let's go. Cute. 3、2、1。So many people here. We can find the different shapes. Oh, star. Okay. What? Oh, fish. Oh. Mickey. Mickey Mouse. Mickey. Oh, Momo. Peach. Ah, Neko. Cat. Oh, snowman. Oh, Fuji-san. Eh? Nani?
以上になかったよ。
失敗よ、失敗。
Oh, nice. Mushroom.
Kinoko.
Kinoko. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Ready?
Yeah.
Sure.
You? I see people leave. We'll just see it from afar. Babe, hold on. Let us do a debug. Oh, sure. Take off your bag, please. As in, whole heap of bugs. Whole heap. Look on me. You see them? Look under. No? Okay. You had several.
I know.
You're being attacked? Alright. I'm so sweaty, but that was beautiful. I just have a question. How long should a fireworks, like what's the, I always say the sweet spot. What's the sweet spot?
Even the sweet spot is like 30 minutes.
This is something here. About 30 minutes, would you? And the intensity is supposed to build. Yeah. But 1 hour kind of too long. 45 minutes? Oh. It feels longer.
It's been about half an hour so far.
Oh. So that, oh, this is the sweet spot then? Yeah, this is the sweet spot. Alright, let's see if you can win me something. Yeah. You can show this one?
There's some more garbage here.
Yeah? Arigatou gozaimasu. I gave him my alcohol. My beer. Oh, you can give him, yeah, the all of the garbage. Yay. Good. Arigatou gozaimasu. Come on. Man, it's never ending. It's like getting tired and crying. What to get? Woo! I'm here. Takoyaki.
It's super crowded. Maybe some of the shops them over there.
Oh my gosh.
I'm thinking maybe better get some other stuff for the entrance.
Okay.
It's super crowded.
Let me see. I can't get no toy. Hold on. Oh, we can get choco banana over here, so no line of today. Yeah, you want? Yeah, let's go. Tat. 800. 800. Oh, look at the. Okay, one more. Okay, thank you. Choco banana. Cheers. You let Bogdan on here.
Choco banana, yeah.
Let's see. Choco banana, yay! If you don't have a choco banana at a matsuri, did you really go
Here.
to a matsuri?
Yes, yes.
Did you buy any ticket?
Yes, I did. Yeah.
出場で大丈夫です。はい。OK。
Okay, thank you. Oh, here? Okay.
Number 3.
Okay, samba. Number 3. It's just like me never tap a match it up. Or me never exit